Millions of Toyota owners are silently destroying the very reliability that made these vehicles legendary. They pour money into the tank every week while following fuel myths that quietly accelerate engine wear, clog injectors, trigger check engine lights, and force expensive repairs. The worst part, most of you are doing at least 3 of these right now without realizing the damage. Here are the 15 fuel myths that cost Toyota drivers the most money. Miss even one and you could be throwing cash away for years. Let's break them down. Myth 15, premium fuel gives standard Toyotas hidden horsepower. If your Camry, RAV4 or Tacoma was engineered for regular 87 octane, filling it with 93 is pure theater. Your engine's computer will not suddenly unlock hidden power or advanced timing beyond the maps Toyota spent years calibrating. Higher octane only resists detonation under extreme cylinder pressures. It contains no extra energy. It does not magically clean valves, and it will never turn a 4-cylinder into a Supra. Modern dynamic force engines and Atkinson cycle hybrids are optimized from the factory for 87. Myth 14, turning off the AC saves tons of gas in modern Toyotas. Rolling the windows down instead of using the climate control feels thrifty until you hit highway speeds. At 65 or 70 mph, those open windows turn your vehicle into a parachute. The aerodynamic drag costs more fuel than the air conditioning compressor ever will. Today's Toyota systems use variable displacement compressors that sip power only as needed. Myth 13, all gas stations have the same gas quality. Raw gasoline may leave the same regional refineries, but the detergent packages added at the terminal separate the good from the garbage. Toyota specifically recommends top-tier detergent gasoline for every model from Prius to Tundra. Discount stations often meet only the bare minimum EPA requirements. Over time, that leads to carbon buildup on injectors and intake valves, especially on D4S dual-injection engines that rely on both port and high-pressure direct injectors. Clogged Denso injectors mean rough idle, misfires, and a measurable drop in economy. Independent testing has shown non-top-tier fuel can create nearly 20 times more deposits in just a few thousand miles. Myth 12, driving your Toyota on empty doesn't hurt anything. Your electric fuel pump lives submerged in the tank for a reason. Gasoline cools and lubricates the motor. Run the tank down to the warning light on a regular basis and that pump starts operating in air, runs hotter and ages faster. Sediment and moisture also settle at the very bottom. Modern strainers help, but constantly pulling from the dregs still increases stress and cavitation risk. Replacing a fuel pump on an all-wheel drive RAV4 or Tacoma is an expensive, self-inflicted repair. Myth 11, filling up early in the morning gets you denser fuel. The idea sounds smart. Colder fuel is denser, so you get more molecules for the same price. Reality is less exciting. Stations store fuel in heavily insulated underground tanks beneath thick concrete. At those depths, the temperature stays remarkably stable year-round, usually between 50 and 60 degrees. Surface weather barely touches it. Even if a tiny density difference existed, the savings over an entire year would be measured in nickels. You would burn more fuel idling in morning traffic than you could ever gain. Fill up when it is convenient. And if that myth felt silly. Myth 10, pouring off-the-shelf fuel additives solve MPG loss. Bottles that promise 20 or 30% better mileage are marketing, not engineering. If they worked that well, Toyota and the major oil companies would already be using the formulas. Quality P-based cleaners used occasionally can help keep injectors clean. Most cheap mileage boosters deliver zero measurable gain in controlled tests. Some even contain compounds that can damage oxygen sensors or catalytic converters. A new catalytic converter on a Prius or 4Runner easily runs over $1,500. Myth 9, topping off the gas pump handle squeezes extra miles into your Toyota. When the nozzle clicks off stop, that click means the tank is full and the vapor recovery system has done its job. Forcing extra fuel past that point sends liquid gasoline into the evaporative emission system, specifically the charcoal canister designed only for vapors. Once that canister soaks, it fails, the check engine light comes on, and you are looking at a $500 to $900 repair on most Camrys, RAV4s, and Tacomas. One click is enough. Your emission system and your wallet both prefer it that way. Myth 8, manual Toyotas always get better mileage than automatics. That was true when automatics were crude 3 and 4-speed units. It is no longer true. Modern Toyota 8-speed and 10-speed automatics, along with the hybrid eCVTs, consistently deliver better real-world and EPA numbers than their manual counterparts. These transmissions lock up early, hold the engine in its efficiency sweet spot, and adapt continuously to load and grade. Hybrid eCVTs have no traditional gears at all. They use planetary sets and electric motors to vary ratios infinitely. Unless you are driving a decades-old classic, the stick is not saving you money at the pump. It is only exercising your left leg. Anyone who grew up with carbureted engines still believes this next one. Myth 7. You must warm up your modern Toyota engine for 5 to 10 minutes in winter. 30 seconds is plenty on a modern fuel-injected Toyota. Longer idling does nothing useful and actually harms the engine. Cold idle runs a richer mixture. Excess fuel washes oil from the cylinder walls, accelerating ring wear. The fastest way to bring oil, coolant, transmission, and catalytic converter up to temperature is gentle driving after that brief initial idle. You save fuel and reduce wear at the same time. On hilly roads, another common habit quietly wastes fuel. Myth 6. Cruise control always saves gas on hilly terrain. On flat interstate, cruise control is excellent. On rolling hills or mountain grades, it becomes a liability. The system is programmed to hold speed at all costs. Climbing it downshifts and opens the throttle aggressively, pushing the engine into inefficient RPM ranges. A skilled driver lets speed drop slightly on the climb and recovers it with gravity on the descent, using momentum instead of fighting it. That simple difference can improve economy by 5 to 10% on hilly routes. If this breakdown is already saving you money, hit like and subscribe so you do not miss the rest. We still have 5 more myths that protect your engine and your bank account. Aftermarket gadgets remain one of the oldest scams in the business. Myth 5. Aftermarket gas saver magnets in intake turbines work. Magnetic clamps, plastic swirl devices, and every other $20 miracle gadget claim dramatic savings. None of them work. If a simple magnet or turbine actually improved combustion enough to matter, Toyota would have installed them at the factory to meet efficiency regulations. These products rely on language that ignores basic physics. Regulators have repeatedly warned and fined the companies that sell them. Keep your money, your Toyota does not need internet trinkets. This next myth is not only inefficient, it is unsafe. Myth 4. Coasting downhill and neutral saves significant fuel in a Toyota. Modern Toyotas use deceleration fuel cutoff. Leave the transmission in drive, lift off the accelerator on a downhill, and the computer shuts the injectors off completely while the wheels keep the engine turning. You burn zero fuel. Shift into neutral and the engine is disconnected. The computer must inject fuel to keep it idling. You also lose engine braking and reduce control in an emergency. Stay in gear and let the ECU do the smart work. Ethanol myths still circulate heavily among older mechanics. Myth 3. E85 ethanol gasoline is watered-down fuel that destroys Toyotas. E85 does contain less energy per gallon, so mileage drops. That does not make it destructive when used in a flex-fuel vehicle. Specific Tundra and Sequoia models leave the factory with stainless lines, compatible seals, hardened seats, and injectors calibrated for high ethanol blends. Ethanol's high octane actually improves knock resistance. Standard E10 found at nearly every pump is fully compatible with modern Toyota fuel systems. Problems blamed on ethanol are almost always the result of neglected maintenance, not the fuel itself. One of the most profitable myths in the quicklube industry refuses to die. Myth 2. Changing Toyota engine oil every 3,000 mi saves fuel and engine life. That interval made sense decades ago with conventional oil. Today's Toyotas running 0W16 or 0W20 full synthetic are specified for 10,000 miles or 12 months under normal conditions. Synthetic oil does not break down or lose protection in 3,000 miles. Changing it that often delivers no measurable fuel economy benefit and simply wastes money and resources. Follow the interval printed in your owner's manual. It is the only schedule that matches the engineering of your specific engine. And the single biggest money-wasting myth of them all. Myth 1. Premium gas will clean dirty Toyota injectors and fix check engine light. Premium fuel will not clear a check engine light. It will not clean dirty injectors. It will not cure a rough idle on an engine designed for regular. Top-tier detergent levels are the same across octane grades at certified stations. The only difference is resistance to pre-ignition. When your Toyota runs rough or the light comes on, the problem is almost never solved by higher octane. Spend the money on a proper diagnostic scan instead. Failing coils, worn plugs, or a dirty mass airflow sensor are far more likely culprits. Those are the 15 fuel myths that quietly drain Toyota owners every year. Which one surprised you most? Which ones were you already avoiding? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to protect the other half of your engine's longevity, the next video covers the oil change mistakes that can still destroy even a well-fueled Toyota. Click it now and keep your engine running the way Toyota intended.